Hello, here are some examples about direct and inverse variation. Um, what does this refer to? This basically refers to when one variable relates to another. If one variable will increase at a certain rate than another variable, that's what we're referring to. Either increase with another variable, or as one goes up, the other comes down. Here we have an example. We have direct variation, and this is said y varies directly as x. Y varies directly as x. This one, y varies inversely as x. Basically what this means, as y goes up, x also goes up at a certain rate. As y goes up, x goes down at a certain rate. The k value is called the constant of variation. And basically the way you solve these particular problems, you're going to first find the constant of variation, write out an equation. Once you write out your equation, it's easy. You just plug in the values and solve for the missing link. Okay, let's look at an example. The variables x and y vary inversely. Use the given values to write an equation relating to x and y. Well, it says that the variables x and y vary inversely. Well, really, we're missing some information because I don't know if y varies inversely as x or x varies inversely as y. If it's unknown, here we're just going to say that y varies inversely as x. Really, it doesn't matter as much. It just matters on how you write out your equation. So if I say y varies inversely as x, I'm going to write this out as y is equal to k over x. Y varies inversely as x. And they give me x equals 5 when y is equal to -2. Well, this is my given information. As x is 5, y is -2. I'm going to plug this in here, solve for k so I can write out an equation. Now you're going to have -2 equals k over 5. At this point, you just need to solve for k. Multiply both sides. I just multiply both sides by 5. So now you have -10 equals k. Write your new equation. Y equals -10 over x. Here's your equation. Now the second part may ask you to find a certain, when y is equal to something, find x, or when x is equal to something, find y. The next part says, here's an example, when x is equal to 5, what is y? Well, we just plug in the value. Y equals -10 divided by 5, so y is equal to -2. I went back to the same original equation here that I did earlier, but it really doesn't matter which particular value you choose. If I said find x when y is equal to 3, run out of room here. I guess I could erase. If I say when y is equal to, oh, let's make it 7, find x. I'm going to plug 7 in for y. So now you're going to have 7 equals -10 over x. You just need to solve this for x. A few ways to solve this. I would put this over 1, cross multiply 7x equals -10, divide by 7, x is equal to -10 over 7.